It's Wednesday, November 6, 2024. It's 8:30 a.m. Eastern, the day after the election, and the markets love Trump. It's a great day for the markets. It's a great day to be a trader. The S&P 500, the Dow are just booming. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return once the market opens and I see a potential trade. TMQ moving up, second highest gainer, up about 90%. I don't see any recent news this morning that would cause this move. High of day is $1.13 on this last candle right here. I'll keep an eye on things and I'll return. I'm in TMQ at $1.13. Profit and loss is down here. See if we can keep this movement going. And I am out. All right, plus 398, just about $4, 1.61% gain on that trade. I did get a little jumpy on the sell button. I probably could have held on a little longer. I was only in this thing maybe 15 seconds or so. But green is green, and I'll take it as a winning trade today. Hey, if you like what you see, if you like my other videos, please subscribe and follow along. I'd love to have you. And let's keep moving forward. Thanks for watching.